These crunches are for your lower fibers. I want you to lift your legs up over your hips. Now, if your hamstrings are really tight and your low back is tight, I suggest you bend the knees, okay? Hands behind the head, shoulders up, abs tight. You can put the legs up if you like. Push the heels up towards the ceiling, pulling in the lower fibers, and then resist. Whatever you do, don't let the legs swing away. Exhale, contract and lift. Lift, good. 16 more, pull it up, 1. Arms long behind you. Inhale on the ground. Exhale, bring the arms in front of you. For the first set, I want you to grab your thighs, squeeze your abs, and roll up. Good. Now inhale, reach high. Exhale, squeeze your abs and roll down. Now see if you can roll up without grabbing your legs, but don't throw yourself up. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze your abs and roll up. Nice and slow. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, slowly down. Again, inhale on the ground.